Okay, guys, let's get started. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. So, my name is Kashif. I am from India, Mumbai. I have somewhere around 14 years of practical IT experience. I have trained more than 30,000 students globally. Okay, so my primary um, roles and responsibility is to implement technologies in companies. So I am working as an architect, wherein I implement technologies like SCCM, Intune, Azure, Active Directory for organizations. And apart from that, I am involved in training, wherein I have trained more than 30,000 students globally on various technologies, including SCCM and Intune. I am a BSc IT graduate. I did my BSc IT from Mumbai University, and after completing the graduation, I started working as a IT support engineer, wherein I worked in uh, a level one SCCM level one, level two, level three team, and now I'm working as architect. So that is about me, guys. Now, in today's session, we are going to discuss about Microsoft Intune. So, what is Intune? Before we learn s- something about Intune, today is going to be the overview session, wherein I will be giving you some information about Intune. So, first of all, we would like to understand the historical background of Intune. So Intune is a Microsoft product. It's a Microsoft product. Microsoft has many products, just like SCCM. Intune is also one of the product. So who is the vendor? Microsoft is the vendor. When this product came into the market in 2010, so almost like 14 years, this product is there in the market. Okay. Now, what is the main role of Intune? Why do we need to have Intune in our organization? Intune will do MDM and MAM, mobile device management and mobile application management. Give me a minute. Somebody joining. So Intune is going to do mobile device management and mobile application management. So what do you mean by mobile device management? Mobile device management means to manage devices, okay, which are mobile in nature. For example, all Android devices, okay, iOS devices, iPad, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, and on top of it, Windows. Windows, basically Windows 10 or Windows 11. So you can manage these devices through Intune. Okay. What do you mean by manage? You can deploy applications. Okay. Updates, configuration, compliance, setting. So you can perform these actions. These are the um, basic actions which you can deploy through Intune. There are some more features available, so those things are in extra. Okay. You can deploy application updates, configuration, compliance setting, etc. on these devices. Now, what all operating system you can manage in Windows 10, Windows 10 and Windows 11? Only Windows 10, Windows 11. You cannot manage server. So who will manage server? Hmm? Server will
SCCM?
still be managed by SCCM.
Yes,
So
SCCM,
SCCM
yes.
is not going anywhere. So there is a huge misconception. People are thinking that Intune is going to take over SCCM. SCCM will be gone from the market. It's not the case. Microsoft has no plan to decommission SCCM because they have invested a lot of money, a lot of effort for the past 30 years now. SCCM is there in the market for the past 30 years. It started in when? 1994. So they don't want to decommission this. They want to sell both the products. So they would like to sell SCCM for server and Intune for other operating systems. Okay. Now, so these are the operating system Intune manages. Intune manages applications as well. Okay. Intune manages applications. For example, Office 365. Okay. Notepad, Paint, right? Etc. There are many applications, so I cannot write each one of them. So you can manage them through Intune. So you will have complete control of the application. You will have complete control of the devices through Intune. And the best part is Intune manages everything on internet. It does not need any intranet. Okay. However, in SCCM world, most of the devices are being managed on intranet. Okay. So all the devices are being managed over the internet. So no matter whether the device is in the premises or the devices is outside the premises, you can still manage the device. So after COVID-19, what happened? People are working from home. So we have to manage their devices over the internet. We don't have to ask people to come to office and connect your laptop to um, office network or something. You can still manage without asking user to coming to the office. Okay. Now, why you should learn Intune? Why you should learn Intune? Why Intune? Why not any other product? Why Intune? Point number one, it's a matured product. Why matured product? Because this product is there in the market for the past 14 years, since 2010. And because of that, resources are available. Resources availability. Suppose if you are stuck somewhere and you need to troubleshoot or you need some help, right? So you can Google it out. You will get n number of websites They will guide you how to go about it. Or if you have some problem, you can find out the issues, you will get the issues. Okay, so that is called resource availability. So if you are stuck, you just Google it out and you will get your result. Okay, so 99% you will be able to solve your problem. Resources, resource availability. Point number three is it is there in almost all big size and medium size organization. Okay, it is present in almost all big size and medium size organization. Wherever you go, either you are in US or Canada or Australia or European countries or Gulf countries or in Asia Pacific, no matter wherever you are in the world, you will find Intune in almost all big size and medium size organization. Just like SCCM, previously we had SCCM in almost everywhere. Okay, similarly Intune is also taking over the market and being implemented almost all big size and medium size organization. Intune has tiny competitors. Tiny competitors. So who all are competitors of Intune? Altres, Landesk, right? Then you have Tanium. Then we have BlackBerry. Then we have IBM BigFix, which is now HCL BigFix. Okay. Then we have Zen Mobile from Citrix. Then we have um, Goods, Mobile Iron, Workspace One. These are some of the competitors, but it is very tiny in front of Intune. And these competitors are managing only focusing only on mobile devices, like only on Android and iOS devices, not on Windows. The great feature of Intune is you can manage Windows laptops as well, Windows desktops as well, as long as they have internet connection, Windows 10, Windows 11. This is the great part of Intune. Okay, so you don't have to purchase two different licenses, okay, for Windows and mobile devices. Got it? So that is the great feature of Intune. It has very tiny competitors. Point number five, no coding languages. You don't have to learn any coding or programming languages. No coding, no programming languages. It's one and the same thing, but I am putting it in two different points. You don't have to learn C, C++, Java, Python, or any coding languages here. Everything is GUI based, and you have to follow some steps to achieve your goal. Okay, so steps are predefined. So almost all big size organization,
Even even PowerShell is not required to learn ahead.
PowerShell is not a coding language. Okay, PowerShell is a shell script language, which if you have that skill, that is well and good. If you don't have, that's also okay, because 99% everything is GUI based. Okay, if you have PowerShell skill, then it is recommended. I mean, it is well and good. It is not mandatory to have PowerShell skills for Intune administrators. Point number seven, good vacancies. So you also need to check the vacancy, because you are learning something, and if you don't have vacancies for that particular technology in the market, then it is of no use, right? Suppose you are learning Lotus Note now. Lotus Note is a good technology, but we don't have any um, we don't have any um, job demand for that one. So you can learn the technology, but you will not be able to find any job for that. So good vacancy. Wherever you go, you will find Intune admin vacancies in US, Australia, Canada, European countries, everywhere. You will find it in India as well. Point number 8, good salary. You earn good salary. So I will give you a fair idea. Average salary for Intune administrators, those who are in US, Canada, Australia, or European countries. So average salary 50 US dollar per hour, 50 USD per hour, average salary. Or for India, the India trend is different, is 8 lakh per annum, 8 lakh or 800,000. Okay, I don't know whether you understand lakh, 800,000 rupees per annum. Okay, India average salary. So salary wise, good, right? You have vacancy, good vacancies, good salary, no programming languages, no coding languages, very tiny competitors, almost all big size, medium size organizations. Last point is good future as well. Good future to make your career. So you can make your career in Intune and become Intune administrator because you have good salary, good vacancies, and resource availability. It's a matured product. It is there in almost all big size and medium size organization. So these are the factors why you should learn Intune. Okay. Now, after learning this, so what will be the duration of this training? Duration is going to be 35 days. Okay. Daily 1 hour session, Monday to Friday. Wait a minute. Daily 1 hour session, Monday to Friday. That's the duration of this training. Now, let me show you the course content. I have already shared the course content with you guys. If you have not received it, then I can share it with you. Intune
Yeah,
course.
wouldn't receive Kashyap actually course content.
Okay. Intune course content. Where is that? Okay. So this is your Intune course content. So basically, we are going to discuss about each one of them one by one. Introduction to MDM and information on Intune versus SCCM, then introduction to Intune Lab, and then introduction to Azure. So these are the course content I will share with you if you don't have it. Okay, these are the things which we will discuss in our training. So that is going to take 35 days to finish all the topics. Okay, now the timing. So time will be 8 a.m. India time, 8 a.m. IST. And when I'm starting this batch from 27 tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Wednesday, 28th of February. 28th February, 8 a.m. India time, IST. Okay. Tomorrow we don't have any session. I'm starting from day after tomorrow. So those who are interested to join the session, you need to contact me on this number. 989-235-4331. It is better to send me a WhatsApp message because I might be in the training if I don't receive your call. So send WhatsApp message. I will reply you if you guys are interested to continue from 28th of February at 8 a.m. India time. Okay. Any question from anyone?
Do we need to
Hmm?
have Azure also, like learning
I
skills?
will not needed. I will teach you little bit Azure as well in this training. I will teach you little bit Microsoft 365 as well. Okay.
And does it help
After
us?
this training, after this training, if you are interested in certification, so you have to take this MD 102 exam. Okay, MD 102. That is endpoint administrator. So you can take this exam and become certified. Okay.
Kashyap, what about labs?
Lab you can do either on physical machine, your laptop itself, or you can do it on Microsoft Azure Cloud Data Center.
Okay. So if someone is missing the class, like I'm traveling on first actually, so is there any chance to get recording or something?
Every day we will record the session
Okay.
and
Okay, we'll share somewhere.
you will get the recording on your WhatsApp group. We will create a WhatsApp group and share the recording in that WhatsApp group.
Okay.
So Kasif, we will have
Okay.
practice session as well, right?
Practice session means I will give you the assignment after the, in the session, I will show you how the things are done. And then I will give you assignment to do the assignment, complete the assignment before the next session. In case
Hmm.
if you face any challenges, any issues, you can discuss in the session.
Hmm.
Okay.
Also, we will get the course material, right? Uh,
Course
After.
material, yes. Course content, course document, I will give
Mhm.
it to you, which will give you the information about everything.
Okay.
And if you would like to take exam MD 102, you let me know. I will help you pass exam. Okay.
Okay.
Any question
So
from
Kashyap,
anyone?
what about certification? Like how much cost and like is there any certification is there for the?
You just joined. We have already discussed about this one. MD 102. That's the certification exam, right?
Okay. What was the cost?
Cost in India, it will cost you around 5,000 rupees. If you're outside, like US, Canada, Australia, then it will cost you 165 US dollar. Okay.
And one more thing, do we need to have prior knowledge on SCCM or any other
No,
technology you
no.
mentioned?
Basic
Like,
computer knowledge is more sufficient because Intune is
okay,
very easy. If you want to learn SCCM, then I will definitely say that you need to have some prior knowledge like on DNS, DHCP, Active Directory. But Intune is pretty easy and straightforward.
okay, okay. So we'll create an Active Directory from scratch on Intune, or it's
Active
different?
Directory is not needed in Intune because we have Microsoft Entra ID. We'll be doing it
Okay,
on Microsoft Entra ID.
okay. So that also will be covered here,
Yes.
creating and okay. So
Okay, so
so
uh,
regular is from Monday to Friday, or any weekend special like test or anything will be done. Like,
uh, testing, as in I don't do that, but I generally give assignment to finish before next session. Okay.
okay,
So this is my number to contact. So those who are interested to continue from 28th of February at 8 a.m. India time, you let me know. I will give you the information how to enroll to this course. You need to make payment and enroll to this course to continue from 28th of February. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you for joining the session. I hope the session was informative. We'll meet on 28th of February at 8 a.m. India time. Thank you. Bye now. Bye, everyone.
Sounds good. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.